Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bypass YouTube ad block detection. So you are probably facing an issue like such, or maybe one of a cooldown, or essentially one like this. What I'm facing when I go to a YouTube video with an advert, you can see the advert is 15 seconds long. So my ad block is not blocking the advert, but I have to wait for the entire ad to finish before I can actually start watching the video, which is not good. So what you want to do is you probably want to remove your current ad block. Okay, remove. Now let's go ahead and add a new ad block. So what you want to do is type in ad block. Now in here you want to pick the one with the hedgehog, add it to Chrome, add to extension. Now let it do its thing, should install. Nice. Now if it doesn't work, it might be because you just need to restart your browser or your computer, but let's just go into a couple random videos that should have adverts. So if it doesn't work, you just have to restart it, and now you can try the videos and your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.